In this video, we'll be using Office Online to review a document someone sent you. So they sent you the link to the document and we copy it and then we paste it into the browser. Now the reason I've chosen to use Office Online instead of Google Docs is because Office Online has a better spell checker, at least for Danish. Here I'm showing that I'm using the private browser, so if you don't have a Microsoft account, this is what it will look like for you. And since the page is taking quite a while to load, I got bored and scrolled a bit. Surprise, we got an error, but don't panic, we just try again, and it works. So this opens up directly Microsoft Office Word. We click on Edit in Browser, and we get the message that the owner of the document has enabled tracking changes. So what does that mean? That means that when you make a change, instead of actually changing the document, it makes a proposal of a change. So when they type the, it's underlined and in green. And if you delete a word, it doesn't get deleted, but instead crossed out as a proposed change. So now we'll go through and make the rest of the changes that we want to make to the document. And here I'm making a longer sentence just to show that if you make a change and then undo that change, there's no record of a change. You just remove the proposal. Let's delete the file. Let's close the window and go back as the owner. And here we can see the proposed changes. And under the review menu, we have the track changes menu buttons. So I can jump from change to change and approve or reject changes. So here, these are good changes, I approve them, and adding articles in front of ingredients categories, I didn't like, so I reject them. And so you can compare the change document with the original document and have them both next to each other. Anyway, that was a brief demonstration of using the review changes options in Microsoft Office Online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video is useful.